I'm here for him. You're here for her. What are your symptoms?
Who are you?
The crazy doctor that needs a cure and nobody will do it.
Nobody will do it?
Yeah.
Let me go to the bathroom to do it to you. My nose is all stuffy.
Mine's not stuffier than yours.
Who are you?
I'm a crazy doctor. Stop saying. Can I pull down my pants?
No.
What's that?
No. Blood.
Ah!
You're the doctor.
Do you want some pizza?
We don't have any.
I have some that I made. Here you go. It had eyeballs underneath it. Your eyeballs or my eyeballs? My eyeballs.
Your eyeballs?
I don't have eyeballs. I have fake ones. Because I'm the crazy doctor.
Oh, man. Keep on.
Hey. Put down the phone. There's no phones in the doctor's office. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na.